Bitch, it's giving. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. What's up, y'all? I'm back again with another video. This video is another wig install, but instead of doing a simple like talk through of me putting on this wig, I just want to do a cute little chit chat and catch up and let you guys know what has been going on in my life since the last time I posted. Like I said previously, I'm moving. I have actually been moving for the longest time, but everything is finally coming to fruition. I have more than half of my apartment packed. And yeah, I just went and got my storage today. With this being my fourth move in total since I moved out of my parents' house, this has probably been the easiest and most, well, I wouldn't say easiest. I would say like most put together move out of all. So that's really what my life has been focused on thoroughly for the last few weeks. It's been moving, and y'all will see that in the vlog that I'm editing. I filmed for like half a week and then I stopped, so I gotta get some more footage and then get that all wrapped up into a bow. But that video will be coming out a week from today, so next Sunday. So I'm looking forward to y'all seeing that. I do want to put out that if any hair company watches my videos, please do not hesitate to email me. I am so happy with the response that I've been getting from all of you in regards to my videos, and I've actually had companies reach out to me already, which is nice. So look for more collaborations in the future, hopefully, fingers crossed. Aside from that, the holidays are coming. So in like a week or two, it's Thanksgiving, right? So that means it's going to be a lot of family time. And now that I'm moving back in with my parents, it's going to be a lot of family time. So I'm excited because my grandma's coming down here. So I'm hoping to get some nice family footage. And then after that, we get started with Vlogmas, which I'm excited because I'm actually going to do it this year. I watch a fair amount of YouTubers, and there's a few YouTubers that are my faves, which I'm going to find some way to put them like in my favorites so you guys can see the YouTubers that I watch. But big shout out to Alyssa Rose. I love her lifestyle vlogs. She knows how to put you in the Christmas spirit and the fall spirit. And then another one of my favorite YouTubers is Aaliyah Simone. Now, Aaliyah Simone, I've been watching her for years. I feel like homegirl grew up before my eyes. One thing that I like about her Vlogmas is that she doesn't do daily vlogs. Because the reality of it is that life is not that interesting every single day. So, and no one should have to deal with the pressure of pushing out content like that. Let's be for real. So I think what I'm going to do during Vlogmas is do the weekly Christmas vlogs during Sunday and then occasionally sprinkle in another video on a Wednesday. In these vlogs, what I have planned is I want to do a lot of Christmas things. Well, I live in the suburbs of Chicago. So this year I really want to go to the Kristen Kringle Market. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, oh the fuck well. But I want to go to that shit that's in Chicago because I've never been, and I've been alive for 25 years. So that's a problem. So I also want to make a video trying like holiday drinks at Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. And then, you know, decorating the house, Christmas shopping, decorating the tree, stuff like that. So you guys are going to get some real good Christmas content from me. And I'm really excited about that. This year was not the best for me. There were lots of good things that happened this year for me, but a shit ton of awful things happened to me this year. So I'm really hoping and praying that, I know next year is still going to be busy because I'm still going to be a full-time student, but I'm hoping that I finally get to see the light at the end of the tunnel in some aspect. There's like a lot of things that I want to do when it comes to my life in general. There's a lot that I want to do when it comes to social media. I want to start posting a lot more on Instagram. I got to a point where I was burnt out with just posting makeup looks, and I want to reinvent my brand, so to speak, and how I film and everything. I need to get some new equipment because yes, I still want to give makeup content, but I also think I want to post like hair content and like just do more engagement and talk to you guys and see what you guys want me to do. And I want to become more active on like all social medias. I will say this, I'm an Instagram girly through and through. I have been an Instagram girly. I love pictures. I love makeup. I can't fuck with TikTok. I think that I'm a pretty funny bitch. Listen, no tea, no shade. I think I'm pretty fucking hilarious. But TikTok, the algorithm for TikTok just does not work for me. It never will. I don't understand why. TikTok is hard. I just thrive on Instagram. I thrive on YouTube. I enjoy those platforms a little bit more. And I know that it's a lot easier to blow up on Instagram. And it's very hard to build a following. No, sorry. Scratch what the fuck that I'm saying. It's a lot easier to build a following on TikTok because all you bitches have such a short attention span. I am also one of you bitches. Like, I have the attention span of a fucking pea. But I just can't push out content on Instagram, on TikTok like that. That's just impossible for me. And I know that a lot of creators and influencers also have that issue unless you solely focus on TikTok. I'm a Gen Z, so to speak, because I'm 25 years old. I was born in 1998. But bitch, at heart, I'm a fucking millennial. Like, TikTok was just never that for me. I love going on TikTok. I go down rabbit holes on TikTok all the fucking time. Lesbian TikTok is the shit, okay? Gay TikTok is fucking wild, okay? But like, I grew up with Instagram. I grew up with YouTube. I grew up with fucking Vine, man. Vine was my TikTok. Vine will always be my TikTok. I don't know where I was going with that. But anyways, yeah, I want to grow my brand, my business, and start being more professional. And now that I'm moving home and I don't have to worry about paying this $1,600 rent, this fucking extortion, I can focus more on things that make me happy. The moral of the story is that I'm so ready for this new chapter of my life, and I'm so excited that I will bring you guys along for the ride. I've never been this motivated to do this, and I'm so excited to take you guys with me all the way up until my graduation from school. Then also, if you guys want more of like nursing content, please let me know, because that's literally one of the forefronts of my life right now. So please let me know. Now, enough about my life. I want to get into a few things, media-wise, so to speak. I want to talk about this year's Grammy nominations. Now, I'm not going to go through all of the lists because, girl, I don't listen to country music, and girl, I don't listen to rock music. So those categories just ain't for me. It may be for you, but it ain't for me. So we going to talk about this pop, R&B, in these hip-hop categories, okay? Mainly, I just want to give shout out to my girl SZA. My bitch, she ran the fucking music industry, and that's all I gotta say. I don't care. No one can say anything bad to me when it comes to SZA. All bitches is crazy. Let's just put that there. So I don't understand why people like SZA and Doja Cat, y'all act like them doing crazy ass shit is something new. Doja Cat's been fucking crazy, and y'all loved her because she was crazy. Y'all just had a problem with the fact that bitch is bald now. And correction, we were all bald when we were born, right? Some of you bitches is still bald. You wish that you could have hair. She just chooses not to. So like, my thing is when it comes to people, and I just need to get this off my chest right now, because like, for real, this shit be pissing me off. Like, go outside and touch fucking grass. Why do you care about these celebrities that make more money than you, got more of a life than you, is happy, wealthy, and highly blessed and favored, and still making money off of everything that you tweet about them? Like, back to the Grammy nominations. Shout out to SZA for being nominated in like every major category. Like, even down to the point where SZA was nominated for Best Melodic Rap Performance. Bitch is not a rapper. Like, that bitch can sing down, but she's not a rapper. They was like, we finna give SZA every possible nomination that we can. And shout out to her for that. I love that for her. Shout out to Victoria Monet. Shout out to her. She was told she was supposed to perform at the VMAs. And the VMAs told her that basically she was not popular enough to be performing on the main stage at the VMAs. First of all of these companies are racist as fuck because Victoria Monet has been that girl, will be that girl, and is that girl. And the fact that she is the second most nominated person at the Grammys and they would not allow her to perform at the VMAs after telling her that she could is the biggest slap in the face to the VMAs. Like, you gotta be stupid, dumb, or fucking ridiculous at this point. So shout out to her for being nominated. Shout out to her for being nominated for Record of the Year, and On My Mama has not even been out for that long. Like, that's how you know you made an impact. And no tea, no shade. Shout out to all the girlies. But unfortunately, I'm going to talk all about the Black queens that got nominated this year. Black girls are running the industry. Like, come on. Shout out to Halle Bailey for her first solo Grammy nomination on her first debut song. Out the gate, you get nominated for a Grammy for your debut song. That's legendary status, sweetheart. Shout out to Miss Coco Jones, who has been in the industry for umpteen years and has received every nomination under the sun. She's so young and so talented and has so much time ahead of her, and she's already doing great things. Shout out to her. Shout out to Doja Cat. Shout out to Doja Cat for her 3 nominations at the Grammys. Well deserved. Doja Cat will always, I don't care what anybody says, Doja Cat can do no wrong in my eyes. Everybody's entitled to their opinions. Just because you feel how you feel about somebody doesn't mean that I have to feel the same way about them. These people have done no harm to me. So quite frankly, I don't care. I still will listen to her music. I still will support her. I still will stream. Argue with your mama. We can't forget the queen. Miss Nicki Minaj. She is another one. Y'all can't tell me. I love me some Nicki Minaj. I don't care. Bitch is crazy. Yes, she is. But I love me some Nicki Minaj. And the fact that, well, the disrespect of the Grammys for waiting 7 years to nominate her for another Grammy after the body of work that she put out within those 7 years. For her nominations to be for Barbie World, good for her, but for Barbie World, and out of all the music that Nicki Minaj has put out, shout out Pink Friday too. Can't wait for that to come out. That's all I have to say. Shout out to Billie Eilish for her nominations. Like, shout out to all the girls. The girls ran the music industry this year. That's the only thing that really matters to me. I don't think that any of these men that are nominated, sorry, you shouldn't win just because of the fact that you're like a man. Yeah, so that's my take on the Grammys this year, and we'll see how it we'll see the outcome. I think that I want to do maybe a live tweet on Twitter. I don't know. We'll see. Should I start doing, would you guys, if I was to do it, would you guys watch my lives on Instagram? Because I feel like a cute little live get ready with me where we just chit chat and kick the bobos. I feel like that would be fun. But I also feel like nobody would join my live streams. Any whore. I should be wrapping up the video. This video is taking a long ass time. I guess I just wanted to get a lot of footage, but I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another video on the channel. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Again, I love you all so much. If you want the links on the hair that I just installed, they're in the description box below. Also, along with my other social media links, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, yada, 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 all that good shit. I will be posting another video next Sunday. And again, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, touch the Jordan moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come to those that wait up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay